Today's look is a very simple, elegant, neutral look which just highlights the features. Such looks, I believe, can be achieved with very little products and easy to do. Prime your face with a primer of your choice or a moisturizer. Basically, you should not do makeup on a dry face. Prep your eyes for your eyeshadow. Use a little bit of concealer and then just mattify it with a powder of your choice. I'm taking a transition shade. This is Texture by MAC, definitely one of my favorites. I always do this step with a neutral shade to contour my eyes. Even if your eye makeup is light, this step makes the makeup in general look good. Use a concealer wherever required and blend it out well. If you use the concealer right and then just use a powder based foundation, you do not need liquid foundation. Liquid foundation can look very layered and it should be used in occasions, not for daily makeup. And then a lightly used powder foundation is just fine as long as you moisturize your face really well. Groom your eyebrows, but make sure that they look natural. I sometimes fill out my eyebrows just wherever required. Just go with the direction of the hair growth. Set your eyebrows with a transparent gel. That way it won't move and stays in place. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow and a pencil brush. I'm going to lightly line my upper lid just to create a shadow. Once again, there's no harsh lines, no dark makeup. This is just for a little bit of definition so that my mascara looks good. And whatever product is left on your brush, just use it on your outer lower lash line. Curl your lashes if you want to. Use a good mascara. Go for something that says with volume. That will give you a very good look. Fill out and line your lips with a nude lip liner. Make sure you've used a lip balm before this. Choose a shade a couple of shades darker than your own skin tone, and this is a good primer before using lipstick. Then take another very neutral lip liner which is a little darker, and then I'm going to use one of my favorite nude lipsticks which goes with most Indian skin tones, and I'm going to keep it simple and nude because this look is just about a glamorous makeup which just highlights your features. Mildly contour your face just use any angled soft brush. Touch up your powder foundation. Use any blush on of your choice. Usually I stick to cream blushes. I have dry skin, so a cream blush really works well, and if applied correctly with the correct product, then it can also give you the glass skin look. Always take less product and then build on it. Take as much required. My makeup is done. This is just for a daytime outdoor lunch, and I think for daily makeup and regular makeup, this is good enough. Hope my channel has been helping you. Do let me know. Follow, share, subscribe. Enjoy.